Jamaican style gungo rice and peas, also known as pigeon peas. Did you know that you can season your chicken with the skin, then add it in your rice and peas? It gives it a tasty and a delicious flavor. In today's, I'll be using a piece of seasoned chicken to help to add flavor to this pigeon peas, gungo rice and peas, Jamaican style, with the exception of some macaroni, because we all know the whole story about the macaroni thing. Wash my pigeon peas, add it in garlic, ginger, white onions, and the peas allowed to cook for 30 minutes. Then I seasoned with escallion, thyme, pepper, green pepper. No sugar in my rice and peas. And my rice and peas and pigeon peas is like really delicious. I use some frozen coconut and also a tin coconut. Add it to my pot once this is boiled. Add salt, black pepper, a little allspice, and then whatever seasoning you want to use, Maggi chicken bouillon, to also add flavor. You can also cook this in chicken broth if you prefer. That also adds flavor. Make sure your pot is seasoned up. Wash my rice, added this to my pot. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new, welcome to Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle. Please check out my cooking playlist and also lifestyle vlogs that I've been giving you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. I will also drop a short video. I did this with some Jamaican style fricasse chicken. I haven't had this in ages, so stay tuned for that quick short clip. I do a lot of chicken around here. As much as I really don't like the chicken, I cook lots of chicken meals. I have lots of chicken videos out there. This is what my fricasse process looks like, and I bake little tins of mac and cheese. My gungo rice and peas is ready, and I serve this up for dinner, with the exception of macaroni, because we all know the macaroni is not really a Jamaican style. But I did Jamaican style dinner, and on the side I did a little mac and cheese. Spin your rice up, make sure you wash your rice, season your pot properly, and this is how my rice turns out: fluffy, shelly, not half cooked. And this is green pigeon peas, also known in Jamaica as gungo. Look at my chicken, and you can stay tuned to see a quick video of how I fry this, how I cook this up. Quick, easy, delicious, tasty. Lick your 10 fingers once you're done. And then it's time to dish a plate. This is what my Sunday dinner looked like. I also did some oven style baked American style sweet potato. I did one without mac and cheese, without veggies. This was what Sunday dinner looked like. Grab a plate for yourself, sit, enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, set your notification bell, and support my videos. I am planning on doing giveaways in February. Thank you all for your continued support. Stay tuned.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we